One of the features I appreciate about OnePlan is the tidiness of the URL at all times. If you are a user that has come from a SharePoint and or Project Online background, you may be used to those very long strings of metadata filters that appear in the SharePoint URLs, for instance, so that when you share a link, you're seeing all of the filters and all of the specific folders that make up that path that will send you to a particular file or a particular project. In Project Online, you would see the project ID embedded right in the URL when you are looking for it. In OnePlan, that does not exist because those remain hidden. However, each plan does actually have what is the configuration ID that aligns with whatever group you are in for OnePlan and the specific plan ID. And because OnePlan comes with a variety of report templates, what I've done here is I have edited one of these report templates and I have included a link. And I've done this just by making a concatenated DAX field here that will bring these together. So this application development project now, if I click on this link here, it will bring me directly to that specific plan in OnePlan. In this case, this happens to be a portfolio level plan because I was on the portfolio report, but that is easily embedded in your reports and easily generated in whatever kind of report you need. I hope this helps. Reach out to us if you need assistance.